What's up, everybody? Welcome to Maths with Gastin. I am Gastin Mapala. Today, let's have a look at grade 10 simple interest example on chapter of financial growth. So today's question is split into three questions. You might want to stick around until we do question C so that you are fully understand the concept and then you don't get lost at the end, because number C is a very, very important question and you don't want to lose those simple 2 marks and 3 marks that you really need, and it might be that 2 marks that you need to get that distinction. All right, okay, so let's look at this question. It says Tejo invest 30,000 into a saving account in order to save money for a car. If the simple interest rate is 10.5% per annum, calculate the following. All right, okay, now let's come here. It says A here. We need to calculate this. A says we need to calculate this. Okay, says we need to calculate the amount Tejo will have in 8 years time. Okay, so they already told us that this is simple interest. Okay, so we're going to use this formula, P1 plus and then N. Okay, so please guys, if you're getting lost here, you're wondering what is happening and why are we using this formula, please check the video before this one that we will assist you with the lesson. Please go and watch the lesson on financial growth grade 10 so that you fully understand. Here we're solely focusing on the examples. All right, okay, great stuff. So now we already know what is P. In this example is going to be 30,000, and then N is going to be 8 years. I, we already know, is going to be 10.5 divided by 100, so it's going to be 0.105. Okay, great stuff. So now with this we can come here and substitute into our formula. We can substitute everything into our formula here. It's going to be 30,000, close bracket, 1 plus 0.105, close bracket, after how many? 8 years. Now we can go into our calculator and then find out how much will be this amount here. Okay, let's go to our calculator. I'll give you guys 5 seconds to press your calculator and find out what is the value here. If you got 55,200, okay, 55,200, then that's great, guys. If really you got that much, well done. Okay, so now let's come to B. Here it says calculate the total interest end. Okay, total interest end. So it means this is the interest end on top of the principal amount, which is the amount that was initially invested. Okay, so what you do, you're gonna say interest end is going to be equals to the final amount minus the principal amount. Okay, so in this case, final amount is 55,200 minus 30,000 that was initially deposited. So therefore, if you go into your calculator, this should give you, let me see now, let me press my calculator here. It's giving me 25,200 rands. Okay, so and this is how you would deal with this one. Total interest end is the our final amount minus the initial amount, which is the starting amount. Okay, no, this is 30,000. Okay, look at me there putting 3,000. All right, okay, we got that out of the way. So now let's come here. C is going to say calculate. It says that calculate the total the interest that Tejo saved each year. Okay, the investment was for how many years? The investment was for 8 years. Okay, so total interest ending within these 8 years we already calculated is 25,200. So now they want us to find out how much interest did she receive each year. Okay, so we're going to take our total interest and divide by, so we're going to say yearly yearly interest, and is going to be total interest and all over number of years. Okay, all over number of years that the money was deposited. So in this case, it's going to be 25,000 over 200 divided by 8, which will give us how much? If I press my calculator, well, here is going to give us 3,150. So what does this mean? It means each and every year she is getting 3,150. So the bank is giving a lot of interest in this investment account, but this is solely for the purpose of illustrating how you would deal with the questions like this one. All right. So now I am Gastin Mapala. The next upload will be on compound interest example. If a question would come and is required, you need to apply compound formula, and how would you deal with that one. So please make sure that you subscribe and then you stay tuned on this channel, and then I'm gonna see you on the next upload.